Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another exciting car review. Today, we have the pleasure of introducing you to the stunning Nissan NV300 Combi 2024. So, buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride. Alright, let's kick things off with what sets this beauty apart from the competition. The Nissan NV300 Combi is the perfect blend of style, comfort, and versatility, making it an absolute game-changer in the world of family-friendly vehicles. First things first, let's talk about space. You won't believe just how roomy this van is. With its impressive seating capacity, the NV300 Combi offers ample room for every member of your family, so nobody has to be left behind on your adventures. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long road trip, this van has got you covered. And let me tell you, the comfort level is off the charts. The seats are designed with the utmost care and concern for your well-being. They feature plush cushioning and ergonomic support, ensuring that every journey is a delightful experience. Plus, the NV300 Combi comes equipped with an advanced entertainment system, keeping you and your passengers entertained throughout the ride. But don't be fooled by its practicality. This van is a head-turner on the streets too. With its sleek and modern design, the NV300 Combi is sure to catch people's attention wherever you go. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, but doing it in style. Now, let's talk about safety. At Nissan, your well-being is their top priority. The NV300 Combi is equipped with an impressive array of safety features, including advanced driver assistance systems for enhanced peace of mind. From lane keeping assist to automatic emergency braking, this van is designed to keep you and your loved ones safe on the road. But wait, there's more. The NV300 Combi comes with a host of cutting-edge technologies that elevate your driving experience. It features a state-of-the-art infotainment system, complete with seamless smartphone integration and a user-friendly interface. And don't worry about staying connected while on the go. This van comes with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to stay in touch no matter where you are. So, there you have it. The Nissan NV300 Combi 2024. A van that combines style, comfort, and practicality to create the ultimate family vehicle. Whether you're embarking on a grand adventure or simply cruising around town, this van will be your reliable companion every step of the way. Thank you for joining us on this exciting car review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. And as always, happy driving!